Broome time.
Wow.
We arrived in Broome just in time for the Shinju Matsuri, the vibrant Pearl Festival. While we were there, we caught up with some friends, a favourite brother, and had an amazing time together. Broome really is all about enjoying life with great people.
A popular event down at Gantian Point for the Lantern Festival.
Part of Shinju Festival.
One of the most beautiful traditions during the festival is the lantern ceremony. The idea is that you write your hopes and well wishes on them, you send them off to drift out in the ocean.
Hold it steady.
But our throat neck lizard, don't worry, it's back, he will be.
These lanterns are crafted from wooden frames and rice paper. As the sun sets, everyone gathers down by the water to light their candles and release their lanterns. Some of the videos here feature music by Radio, and I took a tour of his studio. For a home studio. I got no idea what most of this stuff is. I'm sure it's worth a fair dollar. Right. Lanyards from some of the gigs he's done. Spurs. Is that a Misa Boogie? Just purely self-indulgent, I think. These look like the big day out passes. Access all areas. Set events, southbound. Yep. The setup was even more stunning in the dark. Up here, and then the virtual console, and then you just put in each channel strip as you would want it.
plus a SSL bus compressor, so you can send that out to different subgroups or auxiliaries and have different bits on here. Plus there's the metering plug-in there. And that's giving you a visual representation of the metering, the levels, and also the stereo image. And that's the different channels coming through.
So this is the SSL 360.
Yeah.
And then you've got Logic Pro.
Logic on in the background. And then I'm rolling this wheel along and you can see that it highlights different channels.
Right.
And then that makes that channel. High frequency going up. We want to put a bit more low end into it. So let's actually hit play on that. Now you can see that there's none in here. But what I can do is then that's what a sequencer is. And then let's just split it up a bit more. You can make any sound out of that.
Broome Time wasn't just about the festival. It was also about celebrating birthdays, delicious food, hitting the beaches and camels along the shore.